In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in this particular website, post photo, and start making money. I know it sounds too good to be true, but this in particular website sent me over $300 just by doing everything that I'm going to show you in this video. And if you stick to the end, you're going to be at the point of making this type of money here, or even something more than this. And if you're still wondering how this particular website works, let me explain to you in basic steps. Alright, once you create your account on this particular website, you're going to upload your photos or even others' photos. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get free photos to upload. And once you've done that, your photos are going to be displayed to other people who visit this particular website. Okay, and when someone views your photo, you're going to make money. That's how it basically works. And once you make at least $15, you're going to cash out through PayPal. Okay, every single view on your photo is going to get count and it's going to make you money. Alright, and the most interesting thing about this website is that you don't need to be a professional to start making money. Okay, you don't need to be a pro, you don't need to have previous experience to start making money. Even if you're just starting out, you can still get everything started because it's very simple and straightforward. Alright, now that we know how it works, what we need to do now is to go ahead and create our account. To do that, you're going to hit on this button. Alright, and the name of this website is called ClickASnap. Alright, what you need to do is to put in your email address right here, create a password, and confirm your password. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button that says register. Then you're going to be on this page. What you need to do is to subscribe to the free one. Okay, you don't need to pay anything yet. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button to the free one. Okay, they're going to take you to this page where you're going to create your profile. All right, here you're going to put your profile name, what you would like to be called. Okay, I can say OBG101. All right, and here you're going to create your profile URL. You can use anything you like, but for the sake of this video, I can use with a Wayne. All right, then you're going to click on this button that says check to check if it's verified. You can see this one is verified. That is the reason why it shows green. Okay, and after that, you're going to write your channel description. For the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it blank, but you're going to write something nice about your profile, just like your Instagram account. Okay, because this platform is just like a social media account. All right, then once you've done that, you're going to select your profile picture and hit on confirm. All right, make sure you select your profile picture, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it blank. All right, once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button that said confirm. Then you're going to be on this page. You can see at the top of the page, they're asking me to go and confirm my email address. All right, what you need to do is to click on this link. Okay, when you click on it, then you're going to be on this page where they're going to say welcome. Then they're going to call your name. Welcome with the way. Okay, and if you set up your profile properly, you are not going to see this button again that says complete your profile. But since for this account we didn't set it up properly, that is the reason why we have this button. But what you're going to do is to go ahead and upload photo. Okay, but right now I'm not going to upload photo. Let me walk you through a little bit. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is to hit on this button to take me to the home page. Okay, this is the home page of the website ClickASnap. All right, all of these photos are posted by some people, by some users. Some of them has gotten a lot of views and some of them have gotten little views. Okay, all of these views are actually monetized. Okay, once you click on any of the photo and you stay for at least 5 seconds, okay, this user right here is going to make money. That's how it basically works. Okay, and for all time, this guy has gotten over 6,000 views. Okay, you can tell this guy is making some free money just by posting your photo online. Okay, this website is form of a social media where you post your photos. The difference between this website and Instagram or Facebook is that when you post a photo here, you're going to get paid. When you post a photo on Facebook or Instagram, you're not going to get paid. All right, you can see the advantage and the opportunity here is something that you cannot take for granted. All right, there are basically 2 ways that you can use to make money from this website. All right, one is either by posting your own photos or by downloading photos from Google. I'm going to walk you through the 2 process. Just pay attention, you're going to understand everything. All right, now if you want to post your own photo, what you're going to do, go to your Instagram account. The same photo you have on your Instagram, you can basically repost all of them on this same website. All right, and whenever someone views this photo, you're going to make money. But the way you are going to do it is, you can see on this my profile, I have my own link right here. Okay, you can actually put your link to the photo right here on your Instagram bio. Okay, and when someone clicks on this link, go to your profile just to view it for 5 seconds, you're going to make money. Or better still, you can make a post on Instagram directing people to the same website, guiding them on what to do. Okay, you can just say, guys, check out these photos that I just posted on this website. And you might not post that photo here, but to get their attention, you're going to post it on that website. I want to start clicking on this link. I know they must spend at least 5 seconds. So you're going to be making money. That is number one way. All right. Before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. In case it's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, I teach different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. If that sounds good to you and you want to be part of the family, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video just like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to start making money with the video. And the other way you can make money posting your photo is using WhatsApp. When you post your photo on your WhatsApp status and just put your link, all right? Because I believe on your WhatsApp, you must have some of your loyal friends. Just tell them on what to do on your status, put the link on your status, okay? And they are going to be viewing this your photo on ClickASnap, okay? And once they're doing that, you're going to be making money. These are the two ways that you can actually do it, okay? Now, let's go to the paid version of it. Then the paid version of it, we are going to be downloading pictures from Google. Okay, but since according to this website, you cannot post something that is not yours, okay? You cannot post any photo that you don't have right to. Once you come to Google, once you search for the image that you want to post, what you're going to do is to hit on this button that says tools, all right? And once you've done that, you're going to come over where it says user right, okay? Then this option is going to pop up. What you're going to do is to hit on this button that says Creative Commons license, all right? Once you hit on that button, every other pictures that are here are going to be free. Okay, once you post any of these pictures, you are not going to get banned. They are going to accept it. But if you don't do it this way and you start posting it, spamming, and you start posting all photos that you don't have the right to, they are going to ban your account straight away. All right, but don't worry, I will tell you why it's the paid version. Stick with me, then I'm going to give you the bonus of which type of photo that is going to make you more money. All right, now the reason why I've said is the paid version is when you click on this button that said upgrade to pro, you're going to be on this page, all right? At the beginning of this video, we subscribe to the free plan. But if you are on the free plan, all your views that you are going to be getting, you're not going to be making any money, okay? All the views are not going to be monetized. But when you start to pay like $2 a month, $4 a month, or even $6 a month, then this particular website are going to be promoting your photos by themselves, just like the way YouTube push your videos, all right? So that is the reason why I said is the paid version. If you're on the free plan, all the views you are going to be getting, you're not going to be get paid, okay? But this is the plan that I actually use, all right? Once you're here, they are going to promote your photos, okay? Then at the end, you're going to be making more money, all right? You remember at the beginning of this video, I said I'm going to show you the type of photo that you're going to post so that you can be making more money. You remember that? Now let's get into it. This is the home page. All right, you can see some of these photos are getting some views. Like this very one has gotten 23 views. Okay, this very one right here has gotten 700 views, but this very one has gotten 1,000 views. You know what I mean? I don't want to call it, I don't want to mention it for the sake of YouTube. Okay, but this type of photo is what you are going to be posting. Okay, I'm not saying you should be posting this of yourself, but this type of photo for the people who are going to be downloading photo from Google. This is the type of photo that's going to make you more money. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm talking about. Those type of photo are going to make you more money. All right. If you check this very one right here, you can see that it has gotten over 500 views. Okay. But if you check all others that are close to this picture, you see that none of them has even gotten half of the views. Okay. Like this very one, 35 views, 30 views, 59 views, 85 views. But if you check on this, you're going to have more than 500 views. Do you know why? You know why. I'm not going to say it for the sake of this video, all right? So when you are posting this type of picture on Google using the common license, you're going to be making more money than the others, all right? If you watch this video to this point, I do appreciate your effort. I want you to go out there and try something new, okay? Go out there and test it out yourself and return to this video and tell me your experience, all right? But if you don't like this website, want to make money with different way, if you click on this video right here, or even this playlist is going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. So see you next time with another video again on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers. Peace out.